it's officially mango season. Now, if you're an Indian, you know there's only one frozen treat that truly owns summer: kulfi. It's like ice cream, but richer, denser, and full of tasty soul. So today we're making a mango kulfi, which is creamy, dreamy, ridiculously easy, and doesn't need any fancy machines. Step 1. Grab a ripe mango, the kind that make your kitchen smell like vacation. Peel it and chop it like this and scoop out the pieces with a spoon. Now add all the mango pieces into a blender. Put in some fresh cream, a little bit of milk, condensed milk, a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a few strands of saffron soaked in warm milk. Now blend the mixture until it's smoother than your Spotify summer list. Now pour the magic into matkas, kulfi molds, or whatever you've got. If you're using a kulfi mold, then don't forget to add a stick in the middle. Now freeze it for at least 6 hours or overnight. Before serving, garnished with chopped almonds, pistachios, and rose petals. That's it. Mango, milk, and love all in one bite. Make it, share it, or hide it, your choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Times Foodie.